In this video, I'll guide you through how to add Microsoft To Do in Outlook so you can see your tasks right alongside your email and calendar. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to find To Do and how to make sure it's always easy to access. Let's start by looking at the main Outlook window. On the far left side of your screen, you'll see a vertical navigation bar. This is the strip that usually holds icons for mail, calendar, people, and other apps inside Outlook. What we're interested in here is the To Do icon. Take a moment to move your cursor over to that vertical bar. You're looking for an icon that looks like a blue check mark. That's the Microsoft To Do icon. When you hover over it, you might see a small label pop up that says To Do or Tasks, depending on your version of Outlook. Once you've found that blue check mark, go ahead and click it. As soon as you do, Outlook will open the To Do experience, usually in a panel or a separate section within the app. From here, you'll be able to view your existing tasks, create new ones, and manage your lists, all without leaving Outlook. If you see your tasks appear after clicking, that means To Do is already added and ready to use. Now, sometimes the To Do icon isn't visible on that navigation bar. This is pretty common, especially if you haven't used it before or if your Outlook window is a bit narrow. If you don't see the blue check mark, don't worry. It's almost certainly still there, just hidden in the More Apps area. Look toward the bottom of that same vertical navigation bar. You should see an icon that represents More Apps. Depending on your version, this might look like 3 dots or a small grid of squares. Move your cursor over that icon and click it. This will open a menu showing additional apps that aren't currently pinned to the main bar. In that list, look for Microsoft To Do. Again, it should have the familiar blue checkmark symbol. If you see it there, that confirms that To Do is available in your Outlook. It's just not pinned yet. Now, to make sure you don't have to go digging for it every time, you can pin To Do to the navigation bar. This is a one-time setup, and it keeps the icon permanently visible. To do this, right-click on the To Do option in that More Apps menu. A small context menu will appear. From that menu, select the option called Pin. As soon as you choose Pin, the To Do icon will be added to your main vertical navigation bar on the left side of Outlook. You can now click that blue check mark whenever you want to open your tasks quickly. The next time you launch Outlook, the To Do icon will still be there, ready for you to use. That's all you need to add Microsoft To Do in Outlook and make it easy to access. First, check the left navigation bar for the blue check mark and click it. If it's missing, open the More Apps menu at the bottom, find To Do, right-click it, and pin it so it's all